It's Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and if you are ever on the hunt for those places that you can RV right on the beach, get as close as you can to it, well, I want to tell you about this one that I found, and I'm going to share some pros and cons with you of our experience before I take you around the park and show you not only what's here, but some things that are close by. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I'd greatly appreciate that. So I'm in Bolsa Chica, which is Huntington Beach, but we're staying at the state park here, and they have a place set up here for RVs. Now, I will tell you the great things, a couple cool pros about it, and that is, one, you're literally walking distance to the beach. You walk right out that path, across the bike path, you're on the beach. Right there's the ocean. That's a positive. And as I mentioned, the bike path, you can take for miles in any direction. A lot of areas you can go, you can have a blast walking or riding bikes right outside of this park. The other thing I'll make you aware of, it's not huge inside. You're kind of tight with each other. You do have water, you do have power, you don't have a sewer in here, so you have to be self-contained in your RV. There is a dump station just outside here, but nothing at your site. No cable as well. On the beach, they give you great areas where you can make fires. Now, I will tell you one of the cons, and that is you're right off of Pacific Coast Highway 1. And there is no getting around the road noise you will hear when you turn around, and you can see the road right behind us. And that goes on all day and all night. Just be prepared if you're going to come stay here that you're going to hear that car noise. So with that, let me take you around a little bit, show you what's in the park here, what you could expect if you stay, and then some shots that we took of the areas that are really close by. Let's get going.